Hello everyone and welcome back to Microtech Knives. I'm very excited to bring you some really cool news for Blade Show 2022. We're going to be reintroducing, in collaboration with Right Knife, the ANAX. Now the original ANAX was released in 2014 and it was a Murphy-owned custom, but we are proud to be able to bring some of these to the show and they'll be available in much more capacity later on. But the ANAX is actually a genus of dragonfly. So if you're not familiar with that, this is actually supposed to represent the segmented body of the emperor dragonfly. This is constructed using one solid piece of 6AL 4V titanium. It is a unibody construction. It also has an integral lock bar as well as a lock tab insert. We also have carbon fiber inlay on the non-lock bar side. We also use M390 blade steel. And we've also upgraded all of the hardware, pivot screw. You'll also see the blue ring here that you might have remembered from the SOCOM Bravo. It also has a 24 silicon nitride race bearing system. So the original only had a 12. So guys, this thing is extremely smooth. It's just flawless to be able to open. You have a couple of ways that you can open it. You can just merely put your thumb on the side and open it. You can actually grab the top part here and flick it open. Or you could actually hold it like this and flick it open as well. So we're really excited to be able to re-release this to you guys. It also comes with 2 lanyards. So these are titanium lanyards. You have the spear as well as the ball. And on the back of the chassis here, you have a place where you can carry it without it, or if you want, you can actually screw in the lanyard system like this. It also comes with 2 disassembly tools or tightening tools, one for the pivot and one for all necessary hardware. Price point is going to be somewhere between $400 to $500, and we will have some of these available at Blade Show 2022. So we hope you're as excited as we are about the re-release of the ANAX. We hope to see you at Blade Show in a few weeks. Take care. Have a great week.